Ah, pero ito, hindi pwede?
Bibili lang tayo dyan.
Kahit 100k?
100k? Oh, masaya na ako. Masaya na ako.
4.
Para makauwi na ako.
5.
Uwi na ako sa Isabela.
Gusto ko masaya ka. Tay! Dito tayo sa gas station. Gusto ko bili.
Ha?
Gusto ko bili. Dito tayo sa gas station. So I saw this tatay, guys. Look at his tinda. He's so kawawa. And he's selling turtan talong. I don't know what he's selling. But I told him to park in the gas station. And we're gonna find out. As you know, guys, this is best kind of people to help. Old people and hard-working people. So he's preparing his tinda, guys. See? Hi, Tay.
Talong, bossing.
Ano ito?
Oo, talong.
Talong po?
Kalabasa.
Talong?
Kalabasa.
Kalabasa?
Oo.
May ano, kalabata?
Ito.
No, yung kaibigan ko, sabi niya, bili ka kalabata. Isang kalabata.
Oh, ito nga. Ala, si bossing naman.
Kalabasa?
Oo, kalabasa ito.
Galing saan? Philippines yan? Oo, Philippines yan?
Oo. Masarap naman ito, bossing.
Filipino yan?
Pilipino.
Ah, Filipino? Okay, Tay. Kasi I want to make tarton talong.
Hindi ko maintindihan yung kasi, bossing. Hindi ako
Hindi ka naintindihan, Tay?
taga Isabela ako, bossing.
Ah, you are from Isabela?
Oo.
So, hindi marunong Tagalog?
Oo.
Ano dialect niyo? Isabeliano?
Opo.
Ah, Isabeliano.
Ilocano.
Ako, Las Piñero, hindi ko marunong Tagalog kasi we speak Las Piñerano.
Yung tagba 20, tagba 20.
Pwede ako check, hawag yung talong?
Sige. Tignan mo, bossing.
Ilan inches yung talong?
20 yan, bossing.
20 inches?
Oo.
20?
Oo.
Pero mas malaki yung talong ito sa ganito. Pareho yung preso, Tay? Pag mas malaki, pareho.
Pareho din.
Pero yung kulay ng ano, pink ito. Ito,
Tali.
yung tali, ito green.
Oo.
So, ano ibig sabihin pag green, pink yung talong? Ano ibig sabihin, Tay?
Yung sabihin yun, maganda.
Maganda. Pag may kulay, maganda.
Oo.
Galing saan yung talong niyo po?
Sa Batangas.
Ah, imported yung talong mo.
Ilan magkukunin nyo?
Ah, mukha old yung talong, Tay. Bago yan? Tay, pwede dito tayo kasi mainit. Gusto ko luto tarton talong.
Ay, masarap.
Masarap?
Oo.
Ito, bago rin.
Oo.
So,
Alisin natin.
ito, 20.
20 yan.
Tapos
20.
20. Tapos ito,
20 rin to.
20 rin.
Alisin natin yung
Pero bakit tanggalin mo yung isang talong, Tay?
may butas.
Ah, may butas sa talong. Siyempre, lahat yung talong may butas, Tay. Di ba?
Sir Basil!
Ah, hello po.
Ito, masarap to.
Masarap, Tay? Ano ang lasa?
Masarap. Pang vitamin.
Pang vitamin? Gusto ko vitamin D, meron?
C.
Vitamin C lang?
Oo, ito, masarap to. Hindi.
Hoy, talong mo, Tay. Hulog yung talong mo.
Kunin mo na, bossing. Ilan kukunin mo?
Meron ka kalamansi, Tay?
Mura na lang yan.
Mura na lang, ya?
Oo.
Magkano po?
10 piso na lang yan.
10?
Oo.
Pero bakit maging kulay yellow yung kalamansi mo?
Kasi nahinog na siya, oh.
Dahil sa init?
Oo, sa init.
Wala ka payong? Ito yung payong mo, hindi mo gamit. 10 pesos lang ito.
Oh, 10 pesos.
Pero ano yung lasa? Calamansi or iba yung lasa tayo? Kasi kulay yellow. Ano pwede lagay sa tinola? Wait lang po, hindi ko idol. iba lang, mukha lang.
You're my idol.
Idol ka na daw. Idol ka na tayo.
Talaga.
Oo, sabi niya ikaw yung idol.
Oo.
Ikaw yung idol tayo. Pwede ito sa tinola?
Oh, pwede.
Ano yan? Ano
Sayote.
Sayoto?
Oh, sayote.
Sayoto.
Mura na lang to.
Mura lang?
Oo.
Bakit mura lang? Kasi sira na.
Sira na.
Oo.
Kunin mo na lahat.
Tawag sayoto. So, meaning, tay, sa English, sayoto. This is for you. Tama, tay?
Oo.
Show me, tay. Show me what you got.
Hindi ako marunong dyan, bossing.
Hindi ka marunong dyan sa English?
Oo.
Magkano yung patata, tay? 10. Ito yung basura bag? Garbage bag nyo?
Paglagyan ng mga paninda.
Yung paninda. Sige, tay, lagay sa garbage bag. Kunin ko. Meron ka mas malaki sa talong.
Ayan, patola. Ay, upo.
Ha?
Upo yan.
Hindi mo sabi kanina, tay, meron ganito.
Kunin mo yan.
Kunin ko yan. Ano lasa yan, tay?
Pangpan yan.
Pang?
Lagyan ng giniling.
Kilili?
Giniling na karne.
Kilili.
Oo.
Ito yung kili. Tay, kilili.
Ayan.
Hindi? Ano gilili? Gusto ko bili, pero gusto ko intindihan. Ano gilili? Yung kili-kili?
Sige.
Pag alam mo sa English, ano gilili? Bili ko lahat yung tinda. Ngayon, cash. Cash tayo. Try nyo po.
Isang patola. Ay, upo. Hindi ko alam, bossing.
Kahit anong gusto mo sabi sa English, bili ko lahat yung tinda nyo po, cash. Sige, start tayo. Kausap English. Pag intindihan mo, bili ko lahat yung tinda na yon.
Si bossing, hindi ko alam.
Let's try. Okay? Let's try, Tay. How you doing today? Good? You good today? Are you good?
Speaking.
Yeah, if you speak to me in English, I will buy all your tinda now. Okay? How much is your potato? How much is your potato?
Patatas?
Yeah, your patatas. How much?
Magkano bayad, sabi mo?
Yeah, tama. How much?
10.
What's sampo sa English? It starts with letter T. With letter T. 10 pesos.
Ay, oo.
Tama?
Oo.
Sige, kunin lahat yung patata. Okay, I'm looking for onion. Do you know what's onion in English?
Hindi ko alam yung bossing English speaking. Okra?
Hindi okra. Onion. Dito siya.
Ito bawang?
Hindi, garlic yan. Oh! Call a friend, ah? Okay, this is the onion. Bili ko lahat yung onion. You see, Tay? Onion, sibuyas. Oh, you see? Ngayon, meron ka alam. Sige, Tay, you know what? Kunin ko lahat. Bili ko lahat. Ano ito? Ha?
Tapos ng kamote.
Talbas ng kamote? Gusto ko King Kong. Meron King Kong? Ano, Tay? Ito?
Yan, ito.
Ito.
Oo.
Kunin ko King Kong kako. Sige, Tay. Okay, sige. Lagay mo lahat. Kunin ko lahat yung tinda. Wala na today. Balik sa bahay. Wala na tinda. Okay? Ito po yung okra. Kunin ko yung okra. Sibuyas. Kunin ko lahat yan. Sige, Tay. Kunin ko also kunin ko to. Magkano?
Wow! Wala si bossing!
Ano, Tay? Bayaran ko cash. Ha? Hindi pwede? Bakit, Tay? Pwede try ko? Try ko dito? Pwede. Hindi ko kasha.
Hindi ka kakasya ata dyan.
Magkano yan, tay? Magkano? Bili ko now. Bili ko now, cash, tay. Maganda yan? Sabi ko, bili ko now. Ayaw niya, tay. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. What, tay? Ito lahat? Ito lahat. Sige, cash, tay. Magkano lahat? So Ty is so happy, guys. Really happy. He was crying of happiness. Grabe, ang bait si Ty. So this is Ty now, guys. He's so excited to go home. That's why you see he's driving so fast. Maybe he's afraid to lose the money kasi I gave him a lot of money. Grabe, ang bait si Ty. So guys, it really got me like teary-eyed kanina. I mean, Ty was so happy, he cried out of happiness. And it made me really teary-eyed. When I was talking to him, he said, I'm going now to his place. And this is one of the vlogs that really was so emotional for me, because he didn't expect this, and I offered him 100k to buy his padjak. He refused, because this is how Filipinos, when they are attached to something, they wouldn't give it up for money. And this is what I learned from Ty today. No matter how tempted you are, if you are offered big amount of money or what, If you're attached to something, this is it. You will not give it up for money. And this is what Ty told me today. It's not all about money, you know. You cannot buy everything with money. It's about values, and it's about things that you have carried along with you your entire life. So guys, with the money that we gave to Ty, he will be able to buy a new padjak if he wants, or he can use it pangdagdag puhunan if he wants to have a new business, or if he wants to make up something new and he wants to add up to his income. Guys, I said we because you are part of this by watching my vlogs, by supporting my vlogs, sharing my videos. We are able to make more Filipinos happy, and we are able to help more people. By the way guys, I got the gulay kasi I want to give it to my workers who are working in my house now. As we are renovating my house, I want to give them all the gulay so they can cook and eat. And if you want to watch my renovation vlogs of my house, if you want to see my house, make sure to subscribe to my second channel, Hungry Syrian Vlogs, so you can see my daily vlogs and updates from my house. I hope you enjoyed the video and we learned something very good today. Money cannot buy everything. Money cannot buy happiness. It's just values and what you carry in your heart. From me, the Hungry Syrian Wanderer, mabuhay the best mga tao. Pang ano, marami yan. Kangkong, talong, sibuyas. This is our swimming pool in here, cemento swimming pool.